All right guys, Jordan here, and today I'm gonna share with you how you're gonna go from 0 to 10K per month for your digital marketing agency within the next 30 days, okay guys? This might sound crazy, but it is totally doable. Now, I've already went through the whole journey. I'm dropping these content for you guys so that you can cut the learning curve and you can grow your agency a lot faster than I did. I've had students that has been able to go from 0 to 10K within the first 3 months, and he's now at like 40, 50K, which is crazy. So look guys, if you guys want to grow your agency, make sure you subscribe to the channel, spam that like button, because it just helps push my videos for the algorithm and it gives me that confidence to create more content for you guys. All right, so how are you going to go from 0, from where you're at right now, to 10K per month within the next 30 days, okay? And it doesn't matter if you don't have any clients, I'm gonna share with you how you're gonna do that. So it's real simple, guys. Let's just break down the numbers to get to 10K per month in the first place, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and reverse engineer so that you can get an understanding of how you're gonna get there easily, okay? Because when you think of the marathon, it might sound like, oh, it's such a long run, right? 10K per month is so far away. But really, 10K per month is really just 5 clients, guys. If you can land 5 clients and charge each of them $2,000 each, you're at 10K, okay? So really just 5 clients, you can count it on one hand, okay? There are hundreds of thousands, if not millions of businesses out there. You can get 5 clients, guys. Super, super simple. All right, so this is what you gotta start doing, and this is what I started doing when I started my agency, when I had no idea what I was doing. I had no experience. I didn't know how to run Facebook ads. I didn't know how to run Google ads. I definitely did not have any business background, right? So this is what I did, and no experience. What I started doing was I started offering free trials to everybody, okay? And there might be some people that says, you shouldn't offer a free trial, maybe a discounted service or whatever. It's really up to you, but depending on how confident you are, if you're not that confident like I was, like I had zero confidence, right? This was a whole total different career shift for me, okay? So I had no confidence. This is why I went out there and I offered free trials, okay? If you're a little bit more confident, let's say you have a little bit of experience running Facebook ads, you got a little bit of experience running lead gen or whatever services that you plan on offering, you can charge a discounted service, right? $500, $250, $700, whatever it is that you feel is worth it to you, okay? So when I started, I had zero experience. Now, we really just need 5 clients, okay? So what I started doing was I started cold emailing. I did a cold email blast to just a list of local business owners. So what I did was I hired a VA. I told this VA virtual assistant to scrape me a list in different niches and things like that, or in a specific niche I was targeting at the time. And it was probably like a list of maybe 1,000 to 2,000. And then I set up a cold email automation to send out an email blast. Now there are tons of softwares out there for you to use, and it'll help you with the cold email automation. It'll just send like an email blast to your list, and it kind of personalizes things for you. So that's also really helpful. There's softwares called Mailshake, Replyify. There's Lemlist. There's Gmass, right? Those are like the 4 cold email softwares that I can think of right now. I'm not affiliated with any of them, so I'm not getting paid for it. There's no affiliate links in the description for that. So what I did was, like I said, I scraped the list, 1,000, 2,000 emails, right? And then I just put it into this cold email software. I typed out my message, hey, business owner, and I forgot what I said exactly, but it goes along the lines of offering that free trial. That's really like the core message of the email. Short, simple, straight to the point. You don't want to go too long because they're not going to read it, and you don't want to be too vague because they're not even gonna bother if it's not enough information, okay? So short, straight to the point, and your core offer of the email is to offer that free trial. Now, a lot of people are gonna say no, whatever, but there are also gonna be a lot of people that are gonna take up you for that offer, okay? Because who's gonna say no to free, right? Even you go to Costco, right? And you might already know that you're not gonna buy that food, or you're probably not gonna even like it, but because it's free, you're still gonna take it anyways, right? So that is the core of the free trial, guys. Super powerful, especially when you're just starting out, and if you have a little bit of experience, you can do some type of discounted service, okay? So you're probably gonna get, maybe your goal is to get 10, 15, maybe even 20 free trials. Like I said, these are free trials. A lot of people are gonna take you up on that offer, okay? So about 10, 15, 20 people take you on that free trial. Out of that 10, 15, 20, what you say on when you talk to them is that, hey, I'm gonna give you my services for free in exchange for a video testimonial of the work that we were able to provide to you, regardless of whether you decide to move forward or not, okay? So they're not obligated to move forward with you. You let them know that up front, so that way they don't feel pressured that they're taking something for free and then they gotta reciprocate that, okay? Because the law of I don't know how to say it, but the law of the reciprocity, something like that, okay, states that when you do something for someone, they're gonna feel like they gotta return the favor, okay? So you let them know upfront, there's no pressure, take this free trial, and all I ask from you is a video testimonial, okay? Well, what we did for you, just because we're trying to expand our portfolio, right? Grow our portfolio, whatever it is. So that is key, right? So you let them know, free trial in exchange for a video testimonial, and you don't have to move forward if you don't want to, okay? Now, the free trial or the discounted service, you can choose whether it be 1 week, 2 weeks. I don't really recommend going past the 2-week mark. I don't really recommend going the full month, right? 2 weeks, they should know whether they want to move forward or not, okay? And they should be able to see the results, okay? So after 1 to 2 weeks, you're going to come back to business owner and say, hey, is this something you would want to move forward with, okay? And they want to move forward, great. You got yourself a new client, right? $2,000. You're already in the door with them. You already gained their trust, okay? You've already provided the results. You already provided the service that you said you would, okay? There's a lot of marketing companies out there that they promise the world and they totally undeliver, okay? So that is why you're gonna be able to stand out. So as long as you stick to what you say you're going to deliver, business owner is going to be happy, okay? So you don't need to set high expectations or anything, right? Because it is a free trial. It is a, hey, if you like it, great. If not, that's also fine. We're just gonna take the video testimonial, okay? So there's gonna be 2 options at the end of the free trial. They're either gonna say, yes, I love it. We got so much results. You delivered. We like who you are. We loved your communication. We love that you checked in on us on a daily, weekly basis or whatever it is. And they wanna move forward and they'll be happy to pay you your $2,000 retainer fee or whatever it is that you decide to charge, okay? Now, the second option is business owner might say, hey, you got great results or you didn't get so great results. Thank you anyways for your free trial services, okay? And that's when you say, okay, no problem at all. Just as promised that we spoke about in the past, can you please get that video testimonial over to me? It could be a quick 30 seconds to a minute video on your cell phone. Just send it right over to me and kind of just share like what Jordan did for you or what services we provide to you. And if you were happy, let them know in the video, but just kind of let the people know what we provided to you, right? So it's a win-win situation for you guys. 2 things are gonna happen. They either move forward and you got yourself a client at $2,000, or they're not gonna move forward and now you have a video testimonial, which is just as powerful as a new client, okay? Because now as you got 15 free trials, you're gonna have about 15 video testimonials, right? Not everyone might do it, so you might have like 7, maybe half of them, okay? So you have 7 video testimonials that now you can go out to these next clients, these next prospects, and show, hey, look what we did for these 7 other people, okay? Some of them are gonna have amazing testimonials. Some of them are just gonna say, yeah, Jordan, provided Google ads for us and we appreciated that, right? So anything, okay? So 7 video testimonials that can go like right on your landing page, or website, or whatever. You can share, you can now take that and use that as leverage, as an asset. You have assets now that you can share with these ideal prospects, okay? And from there, you now gain their trust, you have credibility, you have authority, and now you are growing your brand. All right, guys, so out of the 15 to 20, not everyone's gonna move forward, but you only really need 5, just 5 of them to pull through, okay? 5 of them pull through, $2,000 each. You're now at the 10K mark, and let's just say there's 20 of them and you only charge $1,000 and 10 of them move forward, you're still at the 10K per month mark, okay guys? So really, you start prospecting, you give the 2-week free trial, and really within 14 days and maybe the other 2 weeks, you're spending time setting up the cold emails, you're scraping the list and stuff to send out the emails, offer the free trials. Now there's 2 weeks to do the free trials for it to end, get them people moving forward with you. And that is how you go from 0 to 10K per month within 30 days, guys. Super simple. And if you guys want to learn more about my 3 systems on how to grow your agency, how we've been able to grow from 0 from scratch, literally from my old bedroom, like it was like 150 square foot bedroom. Now I got a lot more space, right? I can move around a little bit more. But if you guys want to learn about my 3 systems, the link is in the description. Free masterclass, check it out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.